9 to 9:30, eat something. Don't eat everything. We are eating so much as if it's the last supper of our life. ऐसे खा रहे हैं इसके बाद अकाल पड़ने वाला है. थोड़ा खाना होता है. 9 to 9:30, take some tea, coffee, sandwich, a half parantha. Don't take two parantha. After two aloo parantha with curd, even God cannot study. I'm telling you, we in India are eating too much. If you eat two aloo paratha with curd, मम्मा बोली मम्मा खा ले बेटा खा ले, इतना सा मुंह निकल आया. हमारा मुंह इतना हुआ होता है, मम्मी को इतना ही लगता है. You know what? Don't get into that trap. Eat less carbs in this time. If you eat more carbs, carbs will make you slow. 2 to 3:30, I would take rest. I would just take some lunch. I would just don't sleep on the bed. Don't sleep on the bed in the lunchtime. Doze off on the table and chair like that. And for 15-20 minutes, relax like that. If you take a sheet and sleep properly, you get more cozy. And nobody has felt fresh after afternoon sleep too much. Now again, like 8 to 9:30 is my dinner break. I have to make call, कई लोगों इसको बोलते KPRD. What is KPRD? KPRD is खाना पीना रोना धोना. पीना वो वाला पीना नहीं भाई, खाना पीना रोना धोना. कई लोग आते फोन कर मम्मी को बोलना मेरा नहीं हो रहा, पता नहीं कहाँ फंसा दिया आप लोगों ने मेरे को. व्हाट, कहीं को रोना हॉबी बन जाती है. आपके रोने का किसी को फर्क नहीं पड़ता बेटा. सही, रोना बंद कर दो, स्ट्रांग बनाओ अपने आप को बेटा. 8 to 9:30 सोशल मीडिया, इंस्टाग्राम, ये नोबडी शुड बी ऑन द स्नैपचैट. क्या दिखाना है तुमने दुनिया को भाई? स्नैपचैट क्या दिखाना है? एंजॉय बायोकेमिस्ट्री? कम ऑन मैन, डिलीट स्नैपचैट फॉर सम टाइम. इनएक्टिवेट, थोड़ा इनएक्टिवेट कर दो. लोगों की फोटो देख के खुद दिल जलता है. तुम्हारी कजन ने फोटो डाल रखी हस्बैंड के साथ ज्यूरिक में, एकदम हनीमून की, भाई दिल में आग लग जाती. लोग बोलते हैं डोंट फील जेलस. ह्यूमंस ऑलवेज फील जेलस.
So I think we can start. So
Yeah.
first of all, thank you so much, sir, for joining and giving your time. Sir, what do you think? We have approx 5 to 6 months for the exam. If we aim for exam or April or May, what do you think? How should we start? Like those who are majority are post intern only. So majority now just completed first round of counseling and now they are deciding that they have to study again. So what do you think? How to start?
First of all, thank you, Deepak, for arranging this, and it's a good initiative to have this virtual library. I like this very innovative concept. The reason is the mental health of doctors is actually severely affected. And when I see the residents who meet me after NEET PG and they're getting the good seats in good colleges, still they're not feeling good about the life. I am really worried about it, where we're heading actually. So there lies the importance of these kind of groups actually. And my defense, at the outset, I must tell you, everyone, कि first of all, have appreciation in your mind of for this MBBS seat you have got. ये वही MBBS सीट है जिसके लिए हम एक टाइम पे बिल्कुल डेस्परेट थे किसी तरीके से हो जाए. We have the license now for the practice in the country. MDMS, you are going to the next level, but don't let that come at the mental health level. That's very, very important. Sometimes I am also a repeater. Let me tell you very clearly. I repeated my NEET PG paper, and I understand when we repeat the exam, the tension are different. But let not this erode your personality. That's very, very important. Now, how to do this in these 5 months? Like November ended today, so December, January, February, March, and if we count April also, the most important thing is to understand in NEET PG examination, the study has to be smarter. You cannot read in the way the prof exams are conducted, theoretical, this thing. And there is a special, a way to study. For example, ENT, I'm telling you, we have to have the basics clear. But when you read the subject for the first time, you read it, pretty comprehensively. But the revision has to be really on the basis of the previous year question topics, recent advances, and the trend of the NEET PG INSTD combined together. Because every revision should take half of time of the previous revision. Now, a lot of people ask me, Deepak, this question. Dr. Daman, every faculty says that 3 revision are mandatory. Now, how would we do that? Because content is so vast. Now, look at your notes of pediatrics or orthopedics. Do you think every page is equally important? Some pages are just to make the foundation clear to you. वो सिर्फ इसके लिए कि भूमिका बनाने के लिए होता है. So let us divide the revision into 3 styles. 80, 40, 20. 80, 40, 20 means AT means that when you see a page, for example, in larynx I'm talking about, everybody knows that thyroid cartilage, cricoid cartilage and all that, it need not be revised. But yes, you have to revise that, a retinoid make posterior one-third of vocal cord. There's no question on that. But when you do the retinoid removal for cord palsy, that has to be mentioned that done with CO2 laser. Now, when you are reviewing any notes, revising it, some pages you read really fast. Don't worry about it. We have a FOMO that मेरे को भूल जाएगा. मैं एक सत्य बताऊं दीपक, आप स्लो पढ़ लो, फास्ट पढ़ लो, भूलने की स्पीड बराबर है. आप स्लो पढ़ लो, फास्ट पढ़ लो, भूलने की स्पीड एकदम बराबर रहती है बेटा. और मैं अपने एक्सपीरियंस से बता रहा हूं, कई बार तो देख के ऐसा लगता है, पूरा अच्छे से पढ़ने के बाद 3 महीने बाद वही पैथो की बुक उठा के देखते हैं, सार्कोइडोसिस, ये मैंने अंडरलाइन किया है, लिखा गया हो तो बहुत दूर की बात है, होता ही नहीं होता सबके साथ. सो हर बंदा सेम है यहाँ पे, एवरीवन इज सेम. तो कुछ ना कुछ तो करना, कुछ गड़बड़ तो हो रही है भाई. ये जो हमने सारा गोरख धंधा बना रखा है, 3 रिवीजन मैंडेटरी है, पर करनी कैसे ये बताइए. गाइस, फर्स्ट टाइम रीडिंग इज द प्रेपरेशन ऑफ 3 फ्यूचर रिवीजन. मान लो आपने फार्मा पिछली बार नहीं पढ़ी, इस बार पढ़ रहे हो या पहली बार प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो, यू हैव डन फार्माकोलॉजी एक बार. Every revision must take half of time of previous revision. You did psychiatry in 2 days. पहली बार 2 दिन में वीडियो किए सारे आपने, मान लो अगली बार में रिवीजन में 1 दिन लगना चाहिए, 12 घंटे में रिवीजन. उसके बाद 6 आवर में मेन पॉइंट साइकियाट्री के, और 3 आवर्स में आपने लास्ट का जो लुक करना होता है कि मेन पॉइंट में अंडरलाइन किए एक बार देखने हैं. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एक चीज क्लियर कर लेते हैं, एवरी रिवीजन शुड टेक हाफ टाइम प्रीवियस रिवीजन एंड रिवीजन हैज टू बी क्विकर. नाउ अगर आप ऐसा नहीं करते तो क्या होगा, हम नीट क्वालिफाई करने की तरफ तैयारी करते रहते हैं. हम क्या पढ़ते रहते हैं, बैठ के चुपचाप आराम से बैठ पड़े, साइनोसाइटस, उसमें ये होता, उसमें वो होता. बट क्वेश्चन आर कमिंग आउट ऑफ डिटेल्स ऑफ एलर्जिक फंगल साइनोसाइटिस और म्यूकरमाइकोसिस और डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ इन्वर्टेड पैपिलोमा, राइनोस्पोइडोसिस, एंटोकोनल पॉलिप. You have to read the content faster. Everyone, I can assure you for this thing particularly, 40% time you must devote for MCQ based study. The second take home message from this meeting will be, the first is revision has to be quicker and smarter. Number 2, हर word important नहीं होता. Some pages to be scanned, देखना भी नहीं याद. Number 2 is review करना है भाई, कि पीट्रस एपेक्स पे 5th और 6th नर्व होती, मुझे रिव्यू कर लिया मैंने. लेकिन याद करने वाली बात क्या है, ग्रेडिनिगो सिंड्रोम, कि ईयर डिस्चार्ज होता है, रेट्रोऑर्बिटल पेन ड्यू टू 5th नर्व इन्वॉल्वमेंट, डी फॉर डिप्लोपिया ड्यू टू 6th नर्व इन्वॉल्वमेंट. ये याद करने वाली बात है. पीट्रस बोन टेम्पोरल बोन का पार्ट है, ये तो मुझे पता है, स्कैन कर लिया. पीट्रस एपेक्स पे 5th और 6th नर्व होती है, ये मैंने एक बार अपने दिमाग में रिव्यू कर लिया. लेकिन याद क्या करना है, ग्रेडिनिगो सिंड्रोम, पीट्रोसाइटिस में 3 फीचर बताओ. Now, this is the way you can finish the notes in a proper way. Do not worry. अगर तुम्हें भूल भी जाएगा कोई बात नहीं. We'll do the MCQs again. जल्दी पढ़ेंगे, फिर MCQ पे आएंगे. अब MCQ कैसे आएगा, सुनो. अगर आपने बार बार ये याद करते रहे, ग्रेडिनिगो सिंड्रोम ये होता है, आपने काफी टाइम लगा दिया, MCQ आया, a patient of CSOM having ear discharge for last 5 years, false swelling, has developed the pain behind the right eye and double vision is there. Which investigation would you order in this patient to diagnose the clinical entity most probably? The answer to this question is HRCT temporal bone. अब ये थॉट मिलेगी जाके, ओ इसमें एब्सेस आएगी पीट्रस एपेक्स पे, इसलिए 5th और 6th इन्वॉल्व होंगी. अब 2 ऑप्शन है भाई आपके पास, आप रट्टा मार लो, पीट्रोसाइटिस, ग्रेडिनिगो सिंड्रोम पढ़ते रहो, नहीं तो उसमें आधा टाइम बचा के MCQ कर लो और फिर दोबारा ये नोट्स देख लो, और इसको अलग एंगल से देखेंगे हम. 60-40 distribution of the day is mandatory. However you are reading theory, it would not be helping us that much actually. You have to divide it. और क्वेश्चन करते हुए यही जो नोट्स हैं अलग मायने दे देते हैं. Now, Deepak, I would like to suggest each one of you from my personal experience. My most hated subject in MBBS, because first prof, second prof में कॉलेज गया ही नहीं भाई. सेकंड प्रॉफ के एंड में मुझे लगना शुरू हो गया MBBS बेकार चीज होती है, एकदम गलत डिसीजन ले लिया मैंने लाइफ में आके. मुझे फादर की दुकान में बैठना चाहिए था, बहुत इज्जत मान वाला काम था बोला. सेकंड प्रॉफ के एंड में मुझे क्लैरिटी आ गई, दिस इज द वर्स्ट प्रोफेशन टू बी इन. आज मैं बड़ी क्लैरिटी से बोला जाता हूँ, दिस इज द बेस्ट प्रोफेशन टू बी इन. बट व्हेन यू पासिंग थ्रू दैट ग्रिल ना, every doctor face आप लोगों को कितने लोगों को लगता है, ईमानदारी से बताओ, गगन, रोशनी, विनय, एवरीवन कैन सी द स्क्रीन, कितने लोगों को लगता है कि भाई इससे अच्छा तो आईटी कर लेते, बढ़िया मस्त लाइफ चल रही होती और सही मतलब पीजी होता ना कुछ और होता, शादी होगी, बच्चे भी होने वाले होते अब तक तो। सबको लगता है ना ये बात। आई वाउच फॉर इट। मेरे को भी देखो कितने हैंड्स आ रहे थे तो एक डॉक्टर जिसको कभी नहीं लगा कि उसने डॉक्टर लिए गलत डिसीजन लिया है, वो अच्छा डॉक्टर बनेगा ही नहीं। एक डॉक्टर जिसको कभी ये नहीं लगा कि मैंने डॉक्टर लिए गलत डिसीजन ले लिया, कभी अच्छा डॉक्टर नहीं बनेगा। वो कुछ ज्यादा पढ़ाकू टाइप है, उसको दुनिया से कोई लेना देना नहीं है। सबको लगता है। एंड लेट मी अश्योर यू फ्रॉम माई पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस, मैं तब ये फील करता था कि कहां फंस गए। अब मुझे लगता है बहुत बढ़िया प्रोफेशन है, ये स्टेबिलिटी है इसमें। बस ओनली थिंग इज ये जो रेजिडेंसी वाला मामला अटक जाता है ना बीच में, इसको ढंग से सॉल्व करेंगे। नाउ आई एम कमिंग बैक टू द थिंग। मेरे मोस्ट हेटेड सब्जेक्ट वर माइक्रोबायोलॉजी, फार्माकोलॉजी, माइक्रो, फार्मा, बायोकेमिस्ट्री। ये टॉप नॉच मेरे ऐसे सब्जेक्ट थे, मुझे देख के नोजिया वॉमिटिंग शुरू हो जाता था कि यार कहाँ पढ़ेगा बंदा बायोकेमिस्ट्री अब यार बैठ के। लेकिन मेरे को ऑल नीट पीजी में एक रैंक चाहिए था बिलो 500। मैं आपको सबको बता दूं, मैंने रेडियोलॉजी छोड़ के ईएनटी उठाई है। सॉरी, आई मस्ट टेल यू, मतलब आई एम लिटिल इडियोसिंक्रेटिक पर्सन। मुझे पता है मेरे लाइफ में क्या करना है, शायद मुझे पता था। आई लेफ्ट मेडिसिन, सर्जरी, ऑर्थोपेडिक्स, और लोग जिसके लिए मरे जा रहे हैं रेडियोलॉजी के लिए भी, मैंने सब छोड़ के ईएनटी उठाई बड़ा सोच समझ के। और मैं वेरी हैप्पी कि मैंने क्यों उठाया। लेकिन मेरे को रैंक चाहिए था बिलो 500, कि मुझे अमृतसर से दिल्ली आना था टू हैव अ बेटर लाइफ ऑल्सो। तो अब उसके लिए बायोकेमिस्ट्री पढ़े बिना तो पेपर इतना अच्छा रैंक आएगा नहीं, ना ही माइक्रोबायोलॉजी के बिना आएगा, ना फार्माकोलॉजी के। एवरीवन मार्क माय वर्ड ऑन दिस, यू डोंट लाइक अ सब्जेक्ट, दैट्स योर पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम। मैंने कल भी एक इंस्टाग्राम में किसी रील शेयर करी थी मेरी पुराने वाली। यू डोंट लाइक अ सब्जेक्ट, दैट योर पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम, बट यू हैव टू know that subject. Please understand that leaving a subject like psychiatry, dermatology, anesthesia, radiology even, भूल जाओ यार, ऐसे मत गलती करना। 200 questions deciding one rank out of 1 lakh ranks. 200 question deciding one rank out of 1 lakh rank. Can you understand the importance of every question? अगर हम नीट क्वालिफाई करने भी खेल रहे हैं, फिर तो कोई जरूरत ही नहीं आपको, आप चिल मारो, कोई दिक्कत ना है, पीवाईक्यू कर लो, हो जाएगा मामला। बात यह है कि हम लोग मिडिल क्लास फैमिली के लोग हैं ना, तो पैसे इतने भरे पड़े हमारे पास, तभी तो इस ग्रुप में बैठे हो तुम लोग। जो बाकी लोग होते हैं वो आराम से शांति से सो रहे बेटा, वो तो अभी इस समय वो सैटरडे नाइट पब में होंगे, तुम बैठ के बैठ के वर्चुअल ग्रुप में बैठे हुए। क्योंकि हम लोग मिडिल क्लास फैमिली के लोग हैं। हमारे माँ बाप ने बोला भाई अब तो कुछ कमाना शुरू कर दो, पैसा मांगो तो और पीटेंगे पकड़ के इसलिए हमें खुद ही मेहनत करनी पड़ती है। तो भाई अगर आपने सच में एक अच्छा रैंक निकालना है, आएगा नहीं है ऊपर वाला जानता है, लेकिन उसके कुछ बेसिक इंग्रेडिएंट पक्के हैं। एक तो सब्जेक्ट छोड़ के नहीं जाना। मुझे फार्मा बहुत बुरी लगती है। एग्जामिनर जो जो उसका सब्जेक्ट का एक्सपर्ट प्रोफेसर है ना, जो पेपर डालने वाला है, उसको फार्मा बहुत ही अच्छी लगती है। उसको तो मतलब बीवी से अच्छी लगती है फार्मा। वो तो बहुत अच्छे प्यारे प्यारे क्वेश्चन डालने वाला है फार्मा में से। इसलिए भाई तुम्हें अच्छी नहीं लगती, उससे एग्जामिनर का कोई लेना देना नहीं है। क्वेश्चन तो आने वाले फार्मा में अच्छे दबा के, बायोकेमिस्ट्री आने वाली है, डोंट वरी, आईएनएसटीडी में आने वाली, नीट पीजी में आने वाली है। हाउ डू आई डू दैट? ब्रेक द सब्जेक्ट इनटू स्मॉलर पार्ट। ऐसे टॉक्सिक सब्जेक्ट्स को इकट्ठा कभी नहीं पढ़ना चाहिए, भगवान से विश्वास उठ जाता है। अगर आपने सीक्वेंस में बायोकेमिस्ट्री, माइक्रोबायोलॉजी, फार्माकोलॉजी पढ़ ली, तो बता रहा हूं अगला रास्ता जंगल का पकड़ोगे भाई, मेरा दिन दिन से कोई लेना देना नहीं इसके बाद। तो मतलब साफ बात बता रहा हूं आपको कि अगर आपने सब्जेक्ट्स को झेलना है तो उनको 3-4 पार्ट में डिवाइड कर लेना। कार्बोहाइड्रेट पढ़े, उसके बाद भाई सर्जरी पढ़ी, थोड़ी मेरा मन खुश हो जाता है 2-3 दिन के लिए। फिर मैंने कुछ किया, लिपिड मेटाबॉलिज्म किया, फिर उसके बाद थोड़ा सा मैंने मतलब पीडियाट्रिक पढ़ ली, और उसके बाद फिर झेलेंगे एक बार अमीनो एसिड, विटामिन, एंजाइम्स, ऐसे कर लेते हैं। हो जाता है, हो जाता है। मैंने सच में कर लिया था, और बाद में कल है कि पहले क्यों नहीं ऐसे किया प्रॉफ के एग्जाम में। लेकिन जब मैं पीजी में गया ना, मैं कि ब्रेक द फियर इनटू स्मॉलर पार्ट एंड हैंडल स्मॉल स्मॉल पार्ट ऑफ दैट। कोई बात नहीं कर, ऐसे ऐसे करने से फार्मा भी हो जाएगी, माइक्रो भी हो जाएगी, बायोकेमिस्ट्री भी हो जाएगी, और जो भी सब्जेक्ट आपको, मेरे को 3 ये बहुत बुरे लगते थे। अगली बात पे आऊंगा दीपक। दीपक आप थोड़ा बीच में, आई वुड लाइक यू टू इंटरजेक्ट। यस।
Yes, sir. No, it's going. There is no issue. I just want to elaborate on one thing that we have discussed last time in one webinar about how you prepared and you went to Himachal. That
Yeah.
story. Can you repeat that story?
I left my girlfriend and ran away.
Yeah.
My girlfriend, my current wife, only wife, latest wife, the only wife I had. But उस समय हम नए रिलेशनशिप में आए थे, तो एक दिन मैंने उसको पूछा
Sir,
29 July को
sir, little bit in English because there
yeah,
are
yeah. There was
7.
29 July. I remember 29 July it was, and I told my girlfriend that I feel because of me, you are not studying. She said, you are absolutely right. Every day you bring some or the other thing, which is the reason for us not to study. My, male ego got hurt a little bit. What the hell, I made such a wonderful birthday party for you on 24th July, and 29 you're telling me because of me you are not studying. Guys, I want to tell you one thing. When you look at faculties, like me or any, I'm talking about myself, don't get into the awe factor of the faculties. The awe factor is, wow, कितने disciplined लोग हैं यार सुबह, they are working like very disciplined, they look disciplined, they look civilized, they look like, like different people. Let me tell you, when the faculties were in your situation, they were much more horrible in their brain, in their mind, as compared to what you are today. You have support system like this virtual group and all that. None of us had that. We were equally confused, equally negative. We were equally question mark in our mind, will it happen or not? We were equally having this question mark in our mind that are we on the right track or not? Will be able to compete with other people or not? And everyone is same actually. But then when we have seen now, I started teaching 2004, 2024, 20 years I'm teaching now. Now I realized whatever mistakes I did, you should not do that. So I was wasting a lot of time. At that time, I was wasting a lot of time. And one fine day when she told me that because of you, I'm not also studying, I ran away to Himachal from Punjab. And those 5 months, I remember August, September, October, November, December, they are paying me till now. And it's your turn to make these 5 months the best month of your whole life as far as study is concerned. Okay, why should I study, Dr. Dhawan? We have to study so much, like doctors keep studying. हमारे रिलेटिव्स हमें बोलते हैं डॉक्टर पढ़ते रहते हम भी ऐसे शक्ल बना के बोलते हैं हाँ पढ़ते पढ़ते हम कुछ नहीं है हमें पता है we know we don't study much. When relatives tell us that we keep studying, doctors keep studying, we all say yeah पढ़ते कुछ नहीं हम लोग भाई. Cause hostels में क्या होता, you know better than us. We have to study 2 times. One was 11th, 12th, physics, chemistry, biology, to get into the MBBS. Second time you're studying now for the NEET PG. Hopefully तुम्हें DM MCH नामक बीमारी नहीं है. Hopefully होगी तो कर लेना भाई, मुझे नहीं पता, लेकिन मुझे नहीं थी. मुझे लाइफ भी जीनी है भाई, मुझे सिर्फ ये टाइटल नहीं लगाता रहो, टाइटल लगा के मतलब मेरे को नहीं जीना था भाई. सो आई वाज क्लियर, ENT इज गुड फॉर मी. मेरे को नहीं चाहिए भाई ऑर्थोपेडिक सर्जरी भाई, कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए, मेरे को लाइफ जीना है. एवरीबडी इज डिफरेंट. नाउ मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट यू नो व्हाट, दिस इज द सेकंड टाइम and probably the last time you're studying this way. This is the second time and probably the last time you're studying this way. Residency is not study. I can write and sign and give it to you. Have you ever seen a first year PG studying? Do they let him study? Ward work, OT work, this emergency work and all that. Nobody studied in PG, beta. I was in Hyderabad once. PG came from Nizam Institute of Hyderabad, NIMS Hyderabad. I didn't see the PG. He came to give some sweets in the hotel. I said, how much salary you're getting as a first year PG? He said 1,21,000. I said, wow. ऐसे मुझे सोचे बताना, हम रिलेटिव में शक्लें बनाते रहते, पढ़ते रहते. ऐसी कौन सी पढ़ाई है जो 1,21,000 महीने का देती है? Which is their study like that, which is giving 1,21,000 per month to the student? Are you a student? No. This is the last time you're studying like this. Make it the best study of your life. This is the last time you're studying like this. Make it the best study of your life. Why so? Till now, you all are MBBS. Till now, you all are MBBS. After this result, different branches and different colleges will make a difference in your life. So, my dear friends, मैं हमेशा क्लास में बोलता ही रहता हूँ. This year will decide the quality of life for next 35 to 40 years. May God make you live longer. Average बात कर रहा हूँ मैं. This year will decide. ये जो 5 महीने डिसाइड करेंगे कि that you should be really what kind of type of life you are having. पैसे की बात, पैसा is not a problem for doctors. पैसे तो सब कम, दीपक पता, पैसे कमा लेते सब लोग, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. That is not a problem. The thing is about should feel like going to the work tomorrow. That's what the thing is. Guys, I think without any this motivation is a fraud actually. I'm telling you. Motivation की जरूरत नहीं है तुम्हें. Please look within. Where are you right now? you are standing at the most critical juncture of a doctor's life. एक डॉक्टर की लाइफ में जो सबसे क्रिटिकल जंक्चर है, या तो भाई एमबीबीएस के बाद कुछ मत पढ़ो तो बहुत ही बढ़िया है बेटा, आर्मी ज्वाइन कर लो, यूपीएससी कर लो, या फिर एमबीबीएस रह के अच्छी प्रैक्टिस कर लो, वो भी बहुत अच्छी बात है बेटा. इट्स नॉट रॉन्ग. यू आर डिसाइडिंग टू बिकम अ स्पेशलाइज्ड डॉक्टर, learning one science more than other 18 sciences. For that, you have to learn it from a decent college also. That branch should be palatable for you. That branch should be enjoyable for you. ब्रांच वो मैरिज है जिसमें डिवोर्स पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. ये साथ साथ निभेगी तुम्हारे अंत तक, ये कब तक साथ जाती है ब्रांच भी. तो इसको चूज करने के लिए भाई रैंक चाहिए. अब डरते सर हो नहीं होता, सर लोग पढ़ते हैं, इतने लोग पढ़ रहे हैं, हमारा कैसे होगा, हाउ कैन आई क्रैक द गुड रैंक, एवरीबडी स्टडिंग. गाइस मैं एक ही प्रिंसिपल जीता आता हूँ, मतलब यही भाई. लेकिन ये पीजी के टाइम नहीं था मेरे अंदर भाई. व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग पीजी प्रिपरेशन, मेरा हाथ ऐसे ऐसे हाथ पैर कांपते थे कि भाई नहीं हुआ तो गर्लफ्रेंड भी छोड़ देगी, उसको तो पास हो जाना है, और ये होना नहीं है. घर वाले कह रहे 5 महीने वहां पे कुछ पढ़ा पड़ा तो है नहीं. सब डरते हैं, डर सबको लगता है, डर के आगे जीत वीत नहीं होती. डर सबको लगता है, डर से डील करना आना चाहिए. डर सबको लगता है भाई, डर के आगे जीत हो नहीं हो ऊपर वाला जानता है, मुझे नहीं पता. डर को डील करना होता है भाई. कैसे? जितना ज्यादा पढ़ोगे, द मोर यू स्टडी, लेस फियर यू विल हैव. More you will study, less fear you will have of failure. When we feel the most negative, when we waste 2 to 3 days, when we don't study properly, when we make a plan and don't execute the plan, those are the negative days actually. Those are negative days actually. So guys, don't look outward for motivation. To summarize, I must say, in you, I see myself couple of years back. And I can tell you, you are passing through the most crucial phase of a doctor's life. And please make it, these 5 months, please make the best hard work in these 5 months. You have to know the rare disorders to crack the rank deciding questions. You have to know the conceptual orientation to the subject to crack the tricky questions over there. For that, you have to immerse in studies. There's no other, this thing. And without solving multiple choice questions, it's not really going to really affect, help you out. Reading theory is not helping. Keep in mind 60-40, everybody. Now, Deepak,
Yes, sir.
I would like you to ask question. Yeah.
Yes, sir. One last question I want to ask, then we will take audience question. During your preparation, the last attempt you gave, how was your usual day? Because that time social media तो चलो नहीं था, but फिर भी how was your total day? Like how do you look like in morning, evening?
Yes, yeah, absolutely. They were very wonderful question. I reached there, I think 1st August, 2nd August I must have reached there. And after that 5 months I was there only. Now, actually for 2-3 days my mind was very much unstable. There's a monkey within us. It got stable. Now how my days, not just during that time when I was studying for MRCS ENT, just because more. Let me tell you my day exactly for if I am preparing for PG, and I'm not doing any job, I'm just really studying only. I'm telling about that. I sleep 1 to 6 every day. Today also I'll sleep 1 to 6 only. It's my habit. I start my day with a little bit of exercise in the hotel room only. I stay in the hotels only. Now, what was my day at that time? 7 to 9, biochemistry, sir. 9 to 9:30, eat something. Don't eat everything. We are eating so much as if it's the last supper of our life. ऐसे खा रहे हैं इसके बाद अकाल पड़ने वाला है. थोड़ा खाना होता है. 9 to 9:30, take some tea, coffee, sandwich, half parantha. Don't take 2 parantha. After 2 aloo parantha with curd, even God cannot study. I'm telling you, we in India are eating too much. If you eat 2 aloo paratha with curd, मम्मा बोली मम्मा खा ले बेटा खा ले, इतना सा मुंह निकल आया. हमारा मुंह इतना हुआ होता है, मम्मी को इतना ही लगता है. You know what? Don't get into that trap. Eat less carbs in this time. If you eat more carbs, carbs will make you slow. Deepak is fit now. You know it now. Why? So please understand, Deepak is taking more protein. We should also take more protein. So guys, 7 to 9 biochemistry, carbohydrate. 9 to 9:30, my tea break with sandwich and all that. 9:30 to 11:30, again carbohydrate continue, biochemistry. 11:30 to 12, I'll take again small tea. I'm a tea addict, tea and some more sandwich and all that. 12 to 2, carbohydrate continue. 2 plus 2 plus 2 with 30-minute break. Till 2 o'clock, I have read 6 hour carbohydrates. Now 2 to 3:30, I would take rest. I would just take some lunch. I would just don't sleep on the bed. Don't sleep on the bed in the lunchtime. Doze off on the table and chair like that. And for 15-20 minutes, relax like that. If you take a sheet and sleep properly, you get more cozy. And nobody has felt fresh after afternoon sleep too much. Beta. Thoda fatigue rehta hai. It's not good idea. Sleeping in the like this on the table for 15-20 minutes and 1 hour 30-minute lunch break, everybody. Mace again. It's a very, and I religiously follow it. You 5 months, you just print in your head, you live like this. 7 to 9 carbohydrate, 9:30 to 11:30 carbohydrate, then 12 to 2 carbohydrate, 2 to 3:30 lunch break and sleep and relax and all that. Now 3:30 to 5:30, I will do ophthalmology, cataract, lens, etc. 5:30 to 6, I'll have a cup of tea and some biscuits and all that. 6 to 8, I continue the conjunctiva plus finish the lens also, cataract also. Now again, like 6 to 9, 8 to 9:30 is my dinner break. I have to make call, कई लोगों इसको बोलते KPRD. What is KPRD? KPRD is खाना पीना रोना धोना. पीना वो वाला पीना नहीं भाई. खाना पीना रोना धोना. कई लोग आते हैं फोन कर मम्मी को बोलना मेरा नहीं हो रहा, पता नहीं कहाँ फंसा दिया आप लोगों ने मेरे को. कहीं को रोना हॉबी बन जाती है. आपके रोने का किसी को फर्क नहीं पड़ता बेटा. सही रोना बंद कर दो, स्ट्रांग बनाओ अपने आप को बेटा. 8 to 9:30 सोशल मीडिया, इंस्टाग्राम, ये नोबडी शुड बी ऑन द स्नैपचैट. क्या दिखाना है तुमने दुनिया को भाई? स्नैपचैट क्या दिखाना है? एंजॉय बायोकेमिस्ट्री. कम ऑन मैन, डिलीट स्नैपचैट फॉर सम टाइम, इनएक्टिवेट, थोड़ा इनएक्टिवेट कर दो. लोगों की फोटो देख के खुद दिल जलता है. तुम्हारी कजन ने फोटो डाल रखी हस्बैंड के साथ ज्यूरिक में, एकदम हनीमून की, भाई दिल में आग लग जाती. लोग बोलते हैं डोंट फील जेलस. ह्यूमंस ऑलवेज फील जेलस. मैं तो ह्यूमन हूं भाई, मैं भगवान नहीं हूं. All humans feel jealous comparative of the peer group, cousins, friends. करते. Don't instigate your brain too much. Last time बढ़ रहे लाइफ में, इसके बाद enjoy करना है हमने. अभी तो last time बढ़ रहे भाई, अच्छे से पढ़ लेते. No Snapchat and no Tinder also. No dating sites and all that. I hope you're not into it. So this time is for the faculty has posted. जैसे मैंने आज डाल दिया, कुछ डाल दिया, भाई 3 triads of ENT, किसने डाल दिया, किस summary डाल दिया. This is a social media. Take the screenshot, keep it in the one folder, and that all. Now, 9:30 to 1 o'clock, I'll be doing multiple choice question. Which question, sir? Biochemistry? No. Optha? No. I'll be doing MCQ of gynae, which I did 4-5 days back. Today, how do I do the question? I will do, 40 question in 30 minutes. 40 question, 30 minutes. Gynae. After that, doing that 40 question 30 minutes, I will do the custom module, and now I will review my notes of gynae on the basis of the mistakes I did, things I forgot, silly mistake I did, and things I could not integrate actually, or some extra point I'll add to my notes. Don't read explanation of the apps. FOMO होता है बहुत ज्यादा, डर लगता है. हर नई चीज दिमाग को डराती है यार. अपने नोट्स में नहीं है तो then you look at the app, otherwise don't look at it. Don't do one question, one explanation. That's a wrong technique, better. We need to correct it. 40 question, custom module, increase the difficulty level also, put INSTD question also, and 30 minutes, do that. After that, next 30 minutes, you review whatever you did. Now, again, next hour, 30 minutes, 40 question, 30 minutes, you review that whatever mistake you did. Guys, if in 3 hours, we do 40, 40, 40, 120 question of gynae, look at the output of the day. 6 घंटे कार्बोहाइड्रेट, 1.5 घंटे सोया लंच में, 2 + 2 4 आवर ऑप्थेल्मोलॉजी, ओके, 1.5 घंटा डिनर ब्रेक, रोया धोया भी हमने, सोशल मीडिया भी हो गया, एंड देन एट नाइट गाइनी के 120 क्वेश्चन के बेस पे नोट्स का रिवीजन हो गया. मैं ये तो नहीं कहता कि हो जाएगा, लेकिन इतना पक्का फीलिंग आएगी अगर 5 महीने ऐसे जी लिया ना बेटा, होना नहीं होना तेरे हाथ में. मैंने अपनी पूरी कोशिश करी है, एंड आई थिंक यू शुड डू दैट. आई थिंक you are obliged to do it. You should be doing it. Need PG, either don't do it or go through it fully. Either don't do it or go through it fully, because if you want to become biochemist, it's your wish. I don't want. I can't handle forensic medicine. I can't handle biochemistry. उसे MBBS रह जाना बहुत अच्छा. At doctor तो है. I'm not having any problem with any subject, but I don't have the aptitude for that subject actually. Okay, so look at the output of the day. And it's not that मैंने 15 मिनट का टी, हम तो स्केड्यूल ही ऐसा बनाएंगे ना, फेल होना ही होना है. 7 to 9 कार्बोहाइड्रेट, 9 to 9 15 टी ब्रेक. अरे 15 मिनट में तो चाय भी नहीं बनती. टी ब्रेक कौन सी हो जाएगी? कई लोग आते सिगरेट पीनी होती है बैठ के बेटा. लेट्स बी प्रैक्टिकल मैन. लेट्स बी 9 to 9 छोटा ब्रेक आधे घंटे का, बड़ा ब्रेक 1 hour 30 minutes, स्मॉल ब्रेक 30 minutes, बिग ब्रेक 1 hour 30 minutes. So that's my day.
Yes, wonderful, sir. And yeah, my question is over, guys. You can unmute yourself and you can ask your queries.
Yeah. Anyone?
Sir,
Any?
FMGs के लिए
Sir,
भी थोड़ा
should
बता
the
दो.
FMG also follow the same routine?
Those
Or
who are preparing for FMG January 20.
Yeah.
yes,
Absolutely.
sir, for the
same
January
routine.
exam?
Absolutely same routine. You'll be so much proud of yourself. Any exam on the planet, not just FMG, NEET, PG, NRE, NEET, UG, or any exam. Somebody who's living like this with comfortable break in between and lunch and dinner break of 1 hour 30 minutes being physiologically true, because everyone feels sleepy after the meal. Guys, I'm telling you one thing. On the exam day and before the exam day, when you're about to sleep on that day, tomorrow's exam, you will have this feeling that I have really done a lot of hard work. I deserve to pass the exam with good score. That feeling is very important. That makes you feel respect yourself, and that makes you do less silly mistake in the paper also. That's what the trick is actually. This really helped me a lot. क्योंकि मुझे लग रहा था भाई मैंने 5 महीने घर छोड़ दिया. I left the house, I left the girlfriend, I took so much risk in my life, and now I've done a lot of hard work. I deserve to get a good rank.
Someone asked that can you please give some deadline to follow in how many months first read and then revision to finish?
Yeah.
Puneet ji.
Yeah, true. Exactly. If you are doing the first time this thing, let's divide this part 5 months into some part. Like this November is finished now. Now December, January, and if you're the first timer, then these 60 days you should be doing as much reading of the subject to acquire more and more and more knowledge till the January end. After these 60 days pass, because if the exam they declare in April, you will have a fear factor over there. So in February, let us assume that the exam is in the first Sunday of April. Let us assume that, hypothetically. Let's prepare as per it. So January end, I will finish my whatever subject reading. My surgery is left, my gynae is left, my PSM is left, my half pharma is left, some micro is left. I will do all that. Okay. Now in February and half of March, those 45 days, I will run the complete cycle of revision one more time, sir. Okay. And then the last part of the, the March, I will see the content one more time. And I will take just one more minute, Deepak. How did I do that actually? When I am doing the study for the revision post January, 1st February to 15 March, and this is really important, it works actually. 1st February to 15 March, my revision time is going on. I am now going to mark my notes. How do I mark my notes? No point in making 20th copy, beta. Honestly, इतना लिखा नहीं जाता भाई. ये 21st century चल रही, 20th copy कहाँ मांग? Please understand how we do that. How did I do that in those days also? You just put a star on top of that page of surgery where the difference between hypertrophic scar and keloid is written. कोई दुखती रगा भूल ही जाना फिर. Number 2, ulcerative colitis, Crohn disease, where जो वो वाला पेज है ना, उसको स्टार डालना. फिर breast cancer staging management, स्टार डालना. Mecal diverticulum, पूरा पेज नहीं इंपॉर्टेंट है, पूरे पेज में एक mecal diverticulum के 5 पॉइंट लिखे हुए. On the left side, put a bracket around that part with the same color. Just put a maybe magenta color and put on the star on the. जो सारा page important, full page important, star on the page. Only one part of page important, put an island over there. And from 1st February to 15 March, when you're reading it, you have a fear. If I don't revise it, I'll forget it again. Now when you're revising, just keep putting star. By this time, you've done the MCQs also a little bit. You have the idea of PYQ also, done some GT. You started the idea. This is asked more commonly. Now, from 16 March onward, when I'm revising it, I will definitely visit all these star pages and whatever islands I marked on the left side with the brackets actually like that. This is systematic approach towards preparation, better. And if we get more time, we'll add one more revision cycle. But this is my approach would be if I'm the first timer preparing for the examination. So my deadline will be January end for the new information, then February and March of half for revision to find out the star pages and those star islands, and 16 March onward, I revised all those star pages and started, provided every night you are doing MCQ based study. That part you should not dilute. Make it a habit. Paper beta MCQ hai. लिखता theory paper नहीं है ये. So why not practice that, which the real exam is? Yes.
Sir, about interns, how should they plan?
It's like a different story altogether. Everybody, if you're intern, some departments, try to choose little lighter if possible. Some possibilities are there towards the later part. Finish the toxic postings now only, it's better. But Ahmedabad, BJMC is one of the toxic institutes too. As far as intern means, too much work is there. But majority of the interns of BJMC Ahmedabad have been bringing wonderful ranks because there's a culture to read in the ward over there. Whenever they're in the ward or in the posting, when no work is there, they're reading, everyone is reading over there. So if you see the BJMC Ahmedabad example, they have been generating wonderful rank in spite of the internship, but yes, challenge level is high. Try to, segregate your, day. One is like 8 to 2 posting is there, you have to go there. In that time, you can do the multiple choice question because you can't read the note with focus over there. Agreed. You do the more custom model at that time. When you come back, you do the revision. But yes, you have to put extra hour over there because I remember internship, some department do not give you leverage. So the important thing would be, when you come back, read with focus in the library without touching the mobile phone. The 2-hour window, 2 hour, 2 hour, 2 hour. In those 2 hours, don't touch the mobile. With more focus, you can read faster. Interns should read faster because your knowledge of medicine, surgery, gynae, pediatric, ortho is a little fresher. You can, use that knowledge to finish those subjects faster over there. And yes, the first prof, second prof will take more time over there. Yes.
Yes, you can unmute yourself and you can ask.
Yeah. Yes, any question? Yes.
Good evening, sir. Sir, I would like to ask you, abhi there are so like the recent NEET paper had very clinical questions and more like 2-step questions, like you diagnose, but then they're asking some histopath or some biochemistry related to it. So for that, is MCQ practicing more helpful or doing more of notes revision helpful?
Again, absolutely right. See, if we keep reading vaginal granulomatosis, it has got necrotizing vasculitis. Okay, ma'am? And you keep reading the ENT separately like that. That one of the cause of saddle nose deformity, septal perforation is vaginal granulomatosis. But look at the question of the NEET PG. They gave a picture of saddle nose, septal perforation, and they gave the finding of the histopathology. The necrotizing vasculitis is given over there. They asked which test would you do further to confirm the possible clinical diagnosis. Answer was C-ANCA testing. Do you think this integration is possible without doing multiple choice question? I'm not propelling something, but I want to change the way students are studying because probably as faculties we have been pushing them too much into notes actually. But the distribution is, madam, 60-40. I'm not saying that 50-50 also, 60 notes, 40. So, ma'am, just understand, what is learning is data collection for the brain. What is learning? Data collection. What is revision? Data processing. Data processing. You process the data one more time. And what is MCQ solving? Data application. Data application. Without data application, was data collection ever relevant even? Tell me. It's not a theory writing competition. It is something to integrate. Like, beautiful question. Beautiful. A patient having epistaxis with hemoptysis. The first possibility is vaginal granulomatosis. This will never come out of the notes only. They will always come when you do the question, you get caught up and you will never mark Goodpasture syndrome over there. You will say, no, Goodpasture, the nasal feature is not that common. It is vaginous. Now this goes with you and this becomes a rank deciding question, Vijay. Now this is a rank deciding question. Everyone on the planet knows that tertiary syphilis causes bony perforation of septum. Everyone knows, it's written in the notes only. Tertiary syphilis is the only cause of bony perforation septum. This is the rank, this is a NEET qualifying question. This can be done from theory also. But this vaginal granulomatosis, necrotizing vasculitis, C-ANCA testing, This kind of thing would not just come plainly to the notes. So guys, just keep in mind, without data application, data collection, data processing has least relevance actually. 60-40, my take. Yes, Deepak. I
Yes.
hope I could answer your question. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, thank you.
About GTs, sir.
Okay, this is like a very favorite topic for me actually. Grand test have become the source of depression. People are taking antidepressant after grand test now. No, I don't like the word grand even about it. There's nothing grand about grand test actually. Now these grand tests, please use them as assistive tool than evaluating tool. Now what is different between assistive tool and evaluating tool is, where do I stand? Don't you know where do we stand? We have a lot of deficiencies still. We lot of lacunae still. Why we want to just try it and see? Even if you do grand test very well, do you think it will give you confidence? Oh, because inside your heart, you know, my biostat is still left. Inside your heart, you know, my biochemistry is still left. How can you get it? So this is not an evaluating tool for me. First rule, Deepak, which I tell everyone, FMG, NEET PG, INSCT exam. The day you are doing grand test, you will not do anything. The day you're doing grand test, you will not do anything. Give the grand test in the simulated manner as a real exam will be. After that, review the grand test. When you review the grand test, there is subject-wise analysis over there. Now write down the topmost 4 weakest subject after the GT is over. Now review all the questions. There are 3 type of, like occurrences to every question. Number 1, I knew it. I solved it. 1-liner question. Very nice. Tensor tympani muscle is supplied by mandibular division of trigeminal nerve, TTT. I knew it. I made it correct. Wow. No need to go back to the middle year now. Other question. I knew it, but I did a silly mistake in that. Silly mistake. Now this is a time to go to that topic. Oh yeah. In T3, T4, I was, thinking about that I have to do the partial laryngectomy, but it's a total laryngectomy with R&D plus followed by radiotherapy. I've done silly mistake. Silly mistake, like beautiful question, Deepak. NEET PG. T3 M0 laryngeal carcinoma patient presenting to emergency with the chief complaint of respiratory difficulty and stridor. What is the best treatment plan for this patient? A, laryngectomy followed by radiotherapy, laryngectomy only, radiotherapy only, and D is tracheostomy. The answer in this question is tracheostomy. But we saw, T3 M0 T3 देखे वाह या laryngectomy radiotherapy मजा आ गया. मजा तो आया पर नंबर नहीं आए. minus 0.25 है ना. This is silly mistake. Now this is a time to tell your brain, whenever airway situation is there, forget about the main cause, manage the airway first. Okay, this is a learning for you. You read rhinostroma as rhinosporidiosis. This is a silly mistake. Go there, revise that, how these two are different and all that. Silly mistake. Third is, I knew it, but I could not integrate the way examiner was asking me to. I could not integrate the way examiner was asking me. Now, this is a time to revise the topic from both the angle. Pathology, ENT, pathology, surgery, both the angle. And lastly, Deepak, there are some new question in every GT. You would have never heard about the Stankiewicz sign in FES surgery. But this is new, something like Stankiewicz sign is what? Okay, they said orbital fat prolapse during FES surgery. Okay, now this is a new thing for you. No harm in writing this word Stankiewicz sign, the orbital fat prolapse during FES surgery due to damage of lamina papyracea of the medial wall of orbit. It's a new thing for you. But when you do this for all subjects one by one, you will be requiring 4 to 4.5 hours. So GT is not an evaluating tool. GT is an assistive tool to identify my weak areas. Number 2, the things I forget, the things I do silly mistakes, things I'm unable to integrate, and to top up my knowledge with some new things of the same topic you read. Don't start something new over there totally. You're at FES, okay. They say S, ESS. Don't start S now. There's no end to that, okay. Trust your resource. Yes, supplement the resource little bit only. Don't start doing new things. That's the relevance of GT.
Yes, sir. Yeah. So I think majority questions we have covered. एंड थैंक यू सर. आई थिंक सारा ही कवर हो गया, मेजोरिटी स्टार्टिंग से लेके पूरा. स्पेशली आपकी जो स्टोरी है वो वाली पहाड़ों वाली, वो मैं 3-4 बार सुन चुका हूँ, हर बार मुझे उससे एक अलग ही क्या फील आता है कि इट वाज नाइस.
मैं लास्ट में मैं दीपक बिफोर यू कंक्लूड मैं एक ही चीज बच्चों को बोलना चाहूंगा. गाइस प्लीज रिस्पेक्ट फॉर दिस MBBS you have in hand today. MDMS is not a license to stay happy. Staying happy is a habit you have to develop from today. Don't find a genuine reason to be happy. If you keep finding a reason to be happy, believe me, you'll have another reason to be unhappy tomorrow. When you're doing MD, medicine names also, they have 10 more reasons to be unhappy actually. Guys, don't underestimate this MBBS and target MDMS thinking that that's a license to become happy one day. Don't do that mistake because I see so many residents. We should all have happy residents actually. And this pains my heart when I see a resident losing life actually. That is absolutely wrong. Better would have been to remain MBBS only. Guys, let us really respect what nature has given us till now, and we're striving to do it better in our life. That's the way the life approach should be. And I think that kind of people, those kind of people will become better residents, happy residents in the future also, because they know problems chalti rehti hai, लेकिन खुश रहना होता है. That's very important.
I think there is one question. Yeah, yes, ask please.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, hi doctor.
हेलो सर. अभी सर कुछ मेन सब्जेक्ट्स के लिए, मेजर सब्जेक्ट्स के लिए सर मैंने मेजर नोट्स पढ़े थे, लाइक सर्जरी, OBGY. सर वो नोट सर 550 पेजेस के हैं सर. तो अभी सेकंड रीडिंग में सर कैसा अप्रोच होना चाहिए?
For NEET PG, madam. NEET PG.
यस सर, नीट कीजिए.
Yes, very good. Again, they are very, very good. My favorite topics actually. Now, rapid revision notes certainly lack some data. Please understand. When you do 3-day ENT versus 8-hour ENT, I know हम लोग क्या करते हैं. मैं be very transparent with you. This time there's a question: why preauricular sinus forms due to faulty fusion of first and second arches? This is not there in any rapid revision ENT, including mine. Guys, इन्हीं नोट्स को फास्ट पढ़ लेना. रियल रैपिड रिवीजन है. स्टॉप रैपिड रिविजन्स, स्टार्ट रियल रैपिड रिवीजन. What is real rapid? If you have invested your heart and soul into understanding the main notes, reading those notes at a faster speed is a real rapid revision, following the strategy of 80-40-20. Some pages you just scan, some pages you review to make a mark one more time, and critical data you should remember in a proper way. Read them faster, leaving the mobile phone. Bache. If anyone is reading for NEET PG FMG exam with the 2 hours window and your mobile phone is in between on, believe me, you're using half of your brain potential. If your notes have got histogram open of biostatics or PSM notes and your phone has got Instagram open, there's no possibility brain would focus on histogram. Brain will always like to do Instagram, beta. So please decrease the mobile phone usage, restrict the mobile phone usage in the break time only, and stay away from reels. Watching reel makes your brain slow. It's a proven fact now. Your attention span is reducing. So reading these main notes only at a fast speed is a real rapid revision. You will not have FOMO that you missed those things, that thing. And there's a pictorial memory of the notes actually. It starts with your head actually. Why not scan? अगर कोई टॉपिक बहुत महा टफ लगता है, नो प्रॉब्लम. व्हेन यू डू MCQ ऑफ दैट, उस पे उसका समरी लिख लेंगे. आई अंडरस्टैंड मेटाबॉलिक एल्कलोसिस, एसिडोसिस, मेरे को खुद ही हो जाता है एसिडोसिस. ओके, टफ लग रहा. I tried that, but not possible. When the question will come, I'll solve the question, and at that time I'll make a box over there. If this is given, then this is acidosis. If this is given, this is metabolic acidosis. No problem. But read the notes faster, but same notes, madam. Pictorial memory.
Yes, sir. I think you completed the session. Thank you so much, sir, for your time.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Deepak. Thank you very much. Thank you, everyone. My best wishes to everyone. Let us give best attempt in these 5 months. Let's do a lot of hard work. But stay happy, bachche. Stay happy. Really stay relaxed. You're a doctor already. You'll never die of hunger. God bless you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.